I'm coming to you this week from the St. Thomas Episcopal Church and School Sanctuary. During this week, we expect to have demo happening throughout the entire church building. And as you can see, it has already begun. We are ready to begin making way for our new and improved flooring, paint, and a muchly needed sound system. These improvements will greatly enhance the church and school community's worship experiences. Right now, because of the COVID-19, all of our services are being held online. But this helps us to be able to move full steam ahead with our renovations in our sanctuary. I'm thrilled with the progress that I'm seeing, and I can't wait to see when it's completed later this year. We're hopeful about having our Christmas program and our school programs in our sanctuary. At St. Thomas, we continue to upgrade facilities and create safe and rich learning environments where children can grow, develop, and feel good about themselves in that process. If you have not already done so, please join me in supporting our church and school as we continue to rebuild after Hurricane Harvey. We want 100% of our community. We need this support, and it's an important project. Would you please donate or pledge today?